Hello dear students, how are you all? Today's topic is radioactivity. Yes, we are going to start a new chapter called radioactivity. But before starting radioactivity, I will discuss about three things. First of all, phosphorescent. Yes, phosphorescent, a material is there. We'll discuss about that. Number two, photographic plate. Number three, about the scientist Henry, a French scientist. We'll discuss about this three and then we'll come to the term radioactivity. Okay, so first what I said, phosphorescent. Now what is phosphorescent? Phosphorescent is a simple material but that has a special ability. What is that ability? Say, this is the material or this is phosphorescent material. Okay. Now what is the special ability of it? The special ability is it can absorb light. Yes, it can absorb light. And when there is no light, then it start emitting those light and it becomes bright. Means in the dark when there is no light, you see that, you notice that it's sparkling, like light is coming from it. Okay, that is the specialty of phosphorescent material. Understood? Or say you can take the example of some watches. Yeah, some watches, like in the dark also you can see that what is the time, because phosphorescent material is there in the watch. Okay, so that's why in the dark also you can see what is the timing. Okay, what is the time there? That is phosphorescent material. Number two, photographic plate. Now what is photographic plate? You can say that photography, because of just photographic plate, the movies or the photos are become possible. Yes, videos which we see or the photos which we see earlier days, just because of those photographic plate, movies and photos became possible in this world. Okay, or you can take an example of X-ray plate. You know X-ray plate? Yes, the X-ray plate which a pathological lab gives you, that X-ray plate, that is a used one. Okay, used photography plate they provides you. But before using that X-ray plate, the X-ray plate is completely dark, black colored. Okay, and it is so sensitive, it is so light sensitive that if a small amount of light comes in that X-ray plate, then that becomes a mark over there. Okay, a few amount of light ray also makes a big impression on the X-ray plate. So X-ray plate, like you can take an example of this photographic plate as this X-ray plate. Okay, means photographic plate is a plate, a very sensitive light plate, where a ray of light it falls on it, that makes a big impression on that photographic plate. Okay, and I said about what is the third topic? The third topic is about the scientist Henry. Scientist Henry, because he is related to the chapter that is the radioactivity, because he has started those experiments, or you can say he is the first person who has introduced us about the term radioactivity. Now what he has done, he is a French scientist. What he has done, he has taken photographic plate. Okay, photographic plate. Now that photographic plate he has covered by black papers. Yes, black papers. Why he has covered those photographic plate by black paper? So that we know that black paper that will absorb the whole light. Okay, from wherever the light will come, that black paper will cover the whole, will absorb the all light, and that black paper will not allow any light to pass through it and affect the fluorescent paper. Okay, or the photographic plate which is kept inside the black paper. So what I said, first he took the photographic plate, and that photographic plate he has covered by black paper, okay, and on that paper he kept some material. He kept all the materials which you see in the periodic table. In the periodic table, whatever the materials you see, he kept all those materials on that. But he didn't get any result until he placed uranium. Yes, uranium. When he placed uranium on that black paper, then he found that the photographic plate is affected now. That means uranium is continuously giving light, but we cannot see that light. This light is completely invisible. Okay, the uranium is continuously giving light, and because of that light, that photographic plate is affected now. Got it? And from there he gave the idea of radioactivity. Now what is radioactivity? He said that few elements are there who gives light spontaneously. Why spontaneously? He said spontaneously means without any reason, means from its own the uranium is giving light. Okay, uranium is giving light. You do not have to do anything to make uranium to emit light. Okay, uranium is giving light from its own continuously. It's a continuous process, spontaneous and continuous. Okay, it's giving light, and because of that light, the fluorescent or the photographic plate which is kept inside the black paper is affected because of the light from uranium. Okay, so he said that uranium is giving light which is not visible to us, which you cannot see, but is continuously giving light. Okay, and this idea, this phenomena of this material is called radioactivity. Okay, so continuously, spontaneously, the light is coming out from those material. Okay, this phenomena of this type of material is called radioactivity. Okay, now he also said that why these materials are continuously giving light, because these materials are not stable. Yes, these materials are not stable, and to become stable they are giving continuously this light. Okay, then he continued his experiment. What is the experiment he continued? That I will tell you now. He took a box, okay, a box which is made by lead. Okay, this is the box he took, made by lead. See, this is the box. This is the box which is made by lead. Yes, but there is a small hole on the top. Okay, at the top there is a small hole, and he took a uranium, a material uranium here. Okay, this is uranium. Understood? Now he placed photographic plate. Here a photographic plate, here another photographic plate, and here another photographic plate. Okay, 3 photographic plate he placed, and he noticed that these photographic plates are not affected, but this photographic plate got affected. Okay, that indicates light is going straight. Okay, and it's affecting this plate. Okay, these plates are not affected. Okay, now he continued his experiment. What he has done after that, again he has taken three photographic plate. Okay, and behind these 2 photographic plate he has taken 2 metal sheets. Okay, this is a metal sheet, this is another metal sheet. This metal sheet is negatively charged. Okay, this metal sheet is now negatively charged and this metal sheet is positively charged. And he noticed that when these two plates are placed, which one is negatively charged and one is positively charged, then he noticed that these portions are now affected. All these photographic plates are now affected. That means the ray which is coming out, few rays are going straight, few are going this way and few are going this way. Yes, that means 3 rays are coming out from the radioactive material. 3 rays are coming. And all these 3 rays are going 3 different directions. Why? Because these rays are affected by electric field. Okay, these rays are affected by electric field means these rays are itself electrically positive or negative. Understood? These rays are electrically positive or negative. That's why they are being attracted by positively or negatively charged. Okay, that means I can say that the ray which is going through negatively charged plate, that means this ray is positively charged ray and this ray is negatively charged ray. That's why it's going to this positively charged particle. Okay, now he named them alpha ray, beta ray and gamma ray. Okay, so by this experiment he has shown us that from the radioactive material 3 rays are going. One is positively charged, one is negatively charged and another is not affected, going straight. That means this ray is neither positive nor negative. It is completely neutral. Understood? So and all these rays are alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, in this video we'll keep this much, alpha, beta and gamma. Now we know. From the next video we'll see what are the properties of this alpha ray, gamma ray and beta ray, and if alpha ray and beta ray and gamma ray are getting emitted by this material, how this material will be changed. All this will be discussed in our next video. Okay, till then, bye bye.